Hey guys, this is a quick video on how the market's doing. It's not financial advice. Take it as educational purpose. So let's get it right into it, what the charts are showing. So if we look at the 30-minute chart on Bitcoin, we're headed to 56,763. On the 45-minute chart, we're headed to 56,600. On the 1-hour chart, we're headed to 56,200. On the 2-hour chart, we're headed to 57,000. On the 3-hour chart, we're headed to 56,552. On the 4-hour chart, we're headed to 55,400. And if I look at the 12-hour chart, 55,000. If I look at the 5-hour chart, 56.2. 6 hours, 56.5. So I've made a few videos. We're headed to 55K, but it's almost inevitable we're gonna break 56K from the looks of it. So let's look at stacks. Stacks on the 1-hour chart shows we're headed to 136. Four-hour chart shows 134. If I look at the 12-hour chart, we already hit the target earlier, which was 143.20. If I look at the 20-hour chart, when the sell signal was taking place, which is right here, we've been traveling down, and also 134 as the target. If we look at the 1-day chart, now this is a little bit more aggressive, but we got a sell signal previously when we had a crash, but we never hit the target. So 95 cents is still the support zone. So if the pullback is deep and we work ourselves down, then we have a rare potential of 95 cents still in play. But I'm still thinking stacks can get around maybe 120, 130. If we're lucky, 110, even $1. KASPA, let's look on the 4-hour chart. Still thinks we can get to 15 cents. Let's look at a little bit longer time frame. On the 12-hour time frame, 14,1993. So let's say it should get below 14.5 cents. And a little bit below 14.5 cents I can see on the 20-hour chart as well. So anywhere below 14 cents, actually anywhere below 15 cents and above 14 cents looks like a good DCA entry. Let's look at Ondo, and we'll start off with the day chart, the most aggressive. So 46 cents is still in play. If we look at the 12-hour chart, 51 cents. If we look at the 4-hour chart, we already hit the target, but let's look at a couple of shorter time frames. It thinks for now on the 1-hour chart is headed to 57 cents. So anywhere close to 50 cents and below would be a good entry for Ondo. Let's look at Turbo. Turbo on the 2-hour chart thinks we're going to 0031. On the 3-hour chart, it thinks we're going to go to 003093. 4-hour chart thinks 0.003042. Even if I look at the 12-hour chart, it's a little bit more aggressive, 0028. So I would tell you anywhere from 0028 to 0033 is a great entry for Turbo. Let's look at AERO. We'll start off with, let's see, a shorter time frame. Let's see. So it looks like AERO hit a lot of the targets, so I have to go to deeper time frames. Let's see. So as of right now, 50 cents is in play, and 1-day chart shows 34 cents in play. But usually if the crypto doesn't have a long history, then 1-hour chart may not be the most accurate. But past few times we got very close to the 1-day chart. So I would tell you anywhere from 40 to 50 cents is a good entry. And if the pullback is really, really deep, then man, we may have a chance to break 40 cents. But between 40 and 50 cents would be great. Let's look at ABT, which is a little bit crazy because it just pumps during everything, which is very, very strange. So on ABT, I have to look at the 12-hour chart. I would tell you 140 is in play, but anywhere from 140 to 160 would be a good entry on ABT. Let's look at GFI. GFI, anything close to 195 to $2 would be a great entry for GFI. Let's look at LCX. Now on the 1-day chart, now this is from previous, let's look at shorter time frame. LCX is looking like it's gonna break 12 cents, so 11.5 cents would be a good entry. So I would say if you can get anywhere close to 11 is great. Anything below 12 cents would be a good entry for LCX. Let's look at PNG. So we'll go with the 12-hour chart on PNG. I still think there's a possibility of breaking 20 cents. So as I said, anywhere from 20 to 21 cents would be a great entry if you want to be safe. Anything below 22 cents would be a great entry. Let's look at render. Because I did render a few times, I think anything below 440 is a great entry. And if the pullback is deep, then we can hit $4, maybe even $3.90. So for now, I would say 440 is a good entry. Solana, let's take a look really quick. If I look at the 8-hour chart, 118 is in play. So as things stands now, I would tell you Solana anywhere from 110 to 120 would be a great entry, but I would start entering at 120. Let's look at XRP. As it stands now, I think anywhere from 50 cents and down would be a great entry, but I would target maybe 52 cents. Let's look at SUI. Let's see. So SUI, anything below 70 cents would be a great entry, as low as 65 cents. I'll keep the video short. I'll wrap it up right there. Just quick targets on what the markets are showing today, but I would be patient. It may really fall this week, but remember, nothing is certain. So market can bounce anytime, but as it stands now, everything is pointing down. Have a great Monday, guys. Happy Labor Day.